What is up, guys? Today's a big day. There's been a shoe I've been searching for a fat minute now, literally since high school, and I found someone selling it in my size, and we're about to go meet up with them today. But hopefully I don't get scammed. Alright, yo, we just put up to the meetup spot. He says he's about 10 minutes out, bro. I'm so hyped to show y'all, bro, because I've been wanting to get these for a minute now, and hopefully they legit, bro, because he's a reseller though, so I trust him. But damn, we'll see when he gets here. Now tell me why I see a Santa Claus over here, bro. Bro, that's a legit Santa Claus. This might be a deal, bro. Oh, little shoot, transaction 4K. Santa's selling. All right, yo, we're about to go meet him. He's right over there in that Lexus over there. Oh, let's go see what he's about. What's up, bro? How you doing? Chilling or what? Nah, you're good, bro.
You want to check him out in the back?
Yeah. Hey, I appreciate you, man.
Where'd you get those from?
These ones I got from Foot Locker.
Foot Locker?
Yeah.
You can check them out right here, bro.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Were they for you or they were a gift?
This one?
Yeah.
No, this is for me, bro.
Oh, yeah?
I've been wanting them for a minute, like,
those are hard,
since
bro.
high school, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are tough. Hold on.
I think the original buyer, he tried them on, and that's literally all he did. He probably like took like a couple steps in them, but.
Oh, so they're used? No,
Yeah.
that's
Nah,
good.
I'm like, bro, they're like basically.
Nah, they're brand new.
Yeah.
Family, yeah, these are tough.
Yeah, those are hard, bro.
This what's up? Laces too. These ones, yeah, I'll take these.
These are hard, bro. I want these for myself as well.
Bro, you don't know how long I've been waiting. I mean, when they came out in, like, whenever I was in school, bro, they were going for like $280, bro.
Yeah, they were expensive.
They were, low-key.
That's like low-key why I started reselling sneakers, because like the market's all down and shit, bro. Like,
Yeah, low-key.
there's not like much profit you can make no more.
Yeah, like there used to be, right?
Yeah, hell yeah.
You take a Cash App or Zelle or?
You have Zelle? Zelle would be perfect, bro.
I got Zelle, yeah. Cool.
I got it, bro.
You got it?
Come on, bro.
Yeah,
Appreciate
bro.
you.
You be safe, all right?
My main account, I'll send it to you right now, so I'll give you a follow, bro.
All right, bro. Appreciate it, man. You be safe. All right, yo, we got the shoes, bro. He's a cool dude. Sheesh. Y'all subscribe, bro. Y'all don't even know what I got. All right, y'all, shoes secure. Shout out to that dude. He was a cool dude. Much respect. I'm about to post his at right here, so y'all can hit him up if you ever need sneakers. And I'm about to tell y'all, hit that sub button, hit that like button, because not only are we done here, we got a second item we're picking up right now in a little bit, so I got to get going. And bro, I'm hyped to get this item as well, and I'm so excited to show y'all both items. It's double surprises on y'all today, bro. We ain't done yet. Okay, we got a Cybertruck. Okay, y'all let me know if y'all like the Cybertrucks or not. I think they're pretty dope. My girlfriend thinks they look like a trash can though. What's up, man? How you doing? Nice to meet you, Elijah. All right, y'all, just got to the house. Now let's take a closer look, because these are straight fire, bro. So the first thing we're gonna start off with is the box, bro. Nice, clean, simple, glossy Jordan 1 box, as you can see. Super crazy right here, bro. If you know what these are, y'all let me know in the comments. But bro, these Jordan 1s I've been wanting and been chasing since the high school days, bro. But I can never get my hands on them just because the resale value was so high that I was like, damn. And especially in my size, I couldn't find them anywhere because all the resellers either sold them to people or I just never got in touch with the right person. But bro, I'm about to show y'all. Bro, these are super insane. Here goes the top. Put it right down there. Ooh, bro. Here it is, bro. Nice, clean, simple paper. Bam, as you can see. Bro, the shoe that I got, bro, is a clean Jordan 1 patent red, bro. Super nice, clean shoe. I cannot tell you how bad I wanted this shoe, bro. Give you a nice 360 along the bad boys real quick to get a better view. But this is them right here. A nice, clean, patent, all around Jordan 1 with that nice glossy tint to it that really makes it pop and shine. And that nice white bottom and red sole on the bottom as well, bro. This shoe is absolutely clean. I love it. And as you can see right here in that little hint of detail, has the word family on it. Right there, as you can see. Super clean, nice detail, bro. I have not, bro. You don't know how bad I've been wanting these. These are just gorgeous, bro. These are gorgeous to me, man. Y'all let me know if y'all copping these or y'all dropping these or if y'all got these in y'all's collection. But guys, I really like this colorway and the Fearless colorway. I really wanted this one and the Fearless, but the Fearless one, bro, when those dropped, those just skyrocketed just like these ones, but the Fearless ones are a little more just because it's a collab But bro, this one right here, oh my gosh, I can't get enough of this. I can't wait to wear this and bust this out tomorrow. This shoe is absolutely insane, bro. And another cool thing about the shoes as well, they come with red laces, so that way you can swap the black laces to the red laces, or if you want to mix match the shoes, black and red. But I prefer it all black just for that cleaner, nicer look. But yeah, they come with extra laces, and they also come with like a metallic red Jordan emblem, which is pretty sick. Put it like on your keys, or which originally it goes on the shoe. But y'all let me know if y'all rock it on the shoe and if y'all leave it on there or if y'all take it off. But me personally, I'm gonna take it off and probably hang it somewhere. But that's pretty cool. Nice little detail of the Jordan 1. Has that nice metallic Jordan emblem, red laces, and the overall shoe just speaks for itself, and it's so clean and so stand out, bro. Just to imagine all the outfits you could put together with this right here. Nice clean black and red and white Jordan 1, just with that nice clean patent all around the shoe, bro. And some say that it's easier to crease the patent, but whew, I'm about to put some shoe guards, and you already know I already mastered the sneakerhead walk that I get no creases, thank God. Or if I do, gotta bust the iron out, you feel me? This is the shoe I've been wanting for a minute, and I hope y'all like them. Another shoe in the collection, guys. I'm putting these on the top shelf for sure. And bro, if y'all like these, leave a fire emoji and let me know in the comments if you made it this far. So hit up this guy right here. He was the one that sold me these shoes for an absolute steal, because whenever I was in high school, again, they went for $280 and up, and he got me a good ass deal on these for $100 flat, bro. So if y'all want some sneakers, he's getting rid of a lot because he's a sneaker reseller. And this is his business card right here, and this is the back. And so that way y'all can hit him up directly. Y'all let him know that I sent you. Cannot forget the gold iconic sticker that it comes with in the box as well, because I be seeing people put them on their car, on the door. Me personally, they just stay in the box. But y'all let me know what y'all doing with it. But it also comes with the sticker, don't forget. All right, y'all, and y'all also may have noticed I got a second item in the video, and y'all don't know what it is yet. But if y'all want to know what it is, for real, it's going to be in the link in my subscription in my next video that I post, because whatever I got is in this bag. So y'all make sure y'all don't miss it, because these are an absolute banger as well, and this item is super freaking crazy. Other than that, that's the shoe that I got today. Hopefully I stay to the end. Hopefully y'all like, comment, subscribe. Give me the 500 subs. We had 330 subs right now, guys, and thank y'all so much for showing me love on that last video. I really appreciate y'all. I wouldn't be where I am right now if it wasn't for y'all. So y'all keep staying tuned, keep watching, keep commenting. I respond to every comment, and y'all let me some sneaker ideas, or y'all let me any video ideas, and I'll probably do it. And yeah, y'all have a safe night, and y'all be blessed.